Hello students, today we discuss about human spermatogenesis. Genesis means to produce. So spermatogenesis is the production of sperm or genesis of the sperm, that is spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis happens within the seminiferous tubule of male testes. So here is a sectional view of seminiferous tubule. These are spermatogenic cell and Sertoli cell. Sertoli cell provides nutrition to the spermatozoa spermatid. And this is the process. First phase, this is multiplication phase. That means within seminiferous tubule, spermatogonia present. They are diploid in nature. Diploid means 2n. So spermatogonia undergo division. Which type of division? This is mitosis division. So by mitosis division, same number of chromosomes is produced. These also diploid in nature. They are spermatogonia type A and type B. Next phase, that is growth phase. Spermatogonia B, type B, they undergo a growth phase. That means the chromosome don't divide, but the cell become mature. That is growth phase. So here we can see 2n, that is the diploid in nature, spermatogonia, and primary spermatocyte undergo growth phase, but its chromosome remain the same, that is diploid. Here in human 2n is equal to 46. Next phase, that is the growth phase. After growth phase, primary spermatocyte that undergo meiosis cell division. Meiosis means first meiosis and second meiosis. This is meiosis 1, and by which 2n number of chromosome, that is primary spermatocyte, divide into two haploid cell, they known as secondary spermatocyte. So primary spermatocyte is diploid in nature, secondary spermatocyte is haploid in nature. Meiosis 1, as the chromosome number is reduced, so it's known as reductional division. Next step, meiosis 2, that is equisenal division. Why it is equisenal division? That is haploid chromosome produce haploid cell. So from one primary spermatocyte, as it is undergo through meiosis, it produce 4 spermatid, that is haploid in nature. The whole process is spermatogenesis, but this is spermatocytogenesis. And next part, spermatid, that is haploid, it transformed into a mature sperm, that is spermatozoa, and this process is known as spermiogenesis, transformation phase. In the next class, we will discuss how this transformation happen. What are the main characteristics of sperm that is differ from spermatid, etc. Next part, hormonal control of spermatogenesis. That means how production of sperm is controlled by our endocrine gland. First, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus secrete, we all know, releasing hormone. Here releasing hormone is GnRH, that means gonadotropin releasing hormone. As it is named, GN, gonadotropin releasing hormone, that means it stimulates pituitary to secrete gonadotropin, and you can see from anterior pituitary, here gonadotropin are FSH and LH. That FSH means follicle stimulating hormone and LH means luteinizing hormone. As we see, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, that stimulates Sertoli cell, and luteinizing hormone, it's also known as ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone in male. So in male it stimulates Leydig cell, and after that Leydig cell, the excited Leydig cell, that secrete testosterone. This testosterone produce spermatogenesis, and here a protein, that is androgen binding protein, ABP, also secrete, and this ABP, testosterone, is also known as androgen, and this ABP, androgen binding protein, bind with androgen and it also secrete inhibiting hormone that control the mechanism, that is feedback mechanism. Here a quick revision. First of all, multiplication phase. Here mitosis division happens. So spermatogonia type A, type B, all are diploid in nature. Then growth phase, produce primary spermatocyte, that is also diploid in nature. And next meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, By the process of meiosis 1, they produce secondary spermatocyte that is haploid in nature, and meiosis 2 produce spermatid that is also haploid in nature. Then spermiogenesis, that is from spermatid spermatozoa is produced. And that's all about spermatogenesis.